this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by their owner. Their strict review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 7. Category 8. Category 9. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, this will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is first class because the nature is surrounding and several days and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check in the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by the link. We will help you. If you have a master in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video. In the next episode, we will meet again with a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.